Welcome to Paris Fans TV. Mphethu Mr. Mlambo, beautiful performance by the team in Tanga. Kubona kanjani namhlanje?
Ntanga, another one. Can we talk about Masindi? I've once told you about that guy.
Yeah.
But fair to the kilometers that guy covers. Loya mchitu uyamaka, loya mchitu uyazidlalisa. First thing first, the penalty we got it from him if ungacheck. Amabhola progressive balls megawashaya, ama-troopers. Mfethu uliphahlazile iwindow. Mapagania, can we please check that guy? That guy is playing so well. Yes, I know we've been saying ukuthi uzothathela abanye scheme. I think uzodlala amanye ama-game ngeke awadlale. But bafethu mina ngibone yena namhlanje mega. I think he was a man of the match.
Yeah.
I think he deserved to be a man of the match because that guy played so well today.
Agree with you, Ntanga. Beautiful performance by Masindi. And credit to you, Mr. Mlambo, because you told us about Masindi even before he came to the spotlight. Konje you told udlale naye kuphi?
No, we are not playing for the same team, but like Mizdala same
Yeah,
tournaments.
against, yeah.
Megadlala eShawele, Ntwana seShawele, uJohn Wick elinye nickname yakhe. Too much quality Ntanga, and mina megadlala esayidini at a time.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised to see him in 8, but he's doing it so well now.
Doing it so well. You're man of the match.
My man of the match.
There's a strong contender there, which is Muremi. Beautiful performance in Tanga. Very effective, relentless. Once he goes at you, it doesn't stop. It just keeps on coming. What do you think of Muremi?
Ntanga Muremi Ntanga, I once said this. Muremi after the like the problem yakhe leyo booing. I don't know what happened with his mind, but like ever since there, the boy kept on going. Mina now I'm no longer surprised by seeing Muremi giving us good performances because the standard is always there now. If you can check that game from the game here, that boy from the game here cheap and up until now, that boy hasn't stopped. And what I believe in football, if you're playing well, you gain confidence, right? When you gain confidence, lento lese yazenzakalela mantang. I think he's in that momentum now. Yonke into akayenzayo, yonke into akayithashayo yazenzakalela, and I hope injury yakhe is not too bad. I hope uyabuya soon because we need him.
Definitely, Ntanga. Beautiful performance by Muremi. I like, Yawana, you mentioned confidence, and confidence is very important in Ntanga because you see, every time he holds the ball, he's not interested on passing the defense, going back. He just wants, give me the ball, let me create something. So beautiful performance from Muremi. He was my man of the match.
Yeah.
And then coming into Mahopa, me and you had our different opinions about him. Do you think he had a good game today?
Ntanga ngwana sesike today, this season, this is one of his best game. This one is one of his best game. If you can check, there was a dummy le uzungihleka leya bridge leya phela. If you remember, Sibilibili ushayile laphaya, and that was supposed to be a goal, but credit to goalkeeper weSkhukhune Mahupa touches wakhe Ntanga mekawadlala. I was doing beautiful touches, and today I think mina if uyayibamba le form, mina wouldn't mind him not staying there. I think Tatane said that. Umahupa Ntanga is so vital, and also for a press. If you can check, first 2 minutes, he almost won the ball there. We almost scored, and we know when we have Mahupa there, we're going to get a high press, which is naborile bazokhona ukulandela bo Muremi bo Sibilibili. I think first half we were applying that. Mahupa played so well. Uyangithola, but cela ukukhuluma nangomunye umuntu, and ngiyazi lokho ubuzi ngaye. Cocomelon.
Yeah.
Mapagania Cocomelon is playing his best football. Lapaya Indishin. Yes, you don't see numbers, but there are players who, even though you don't see numbers, they are playing so well. Tanga urile Ntanga like angazi mina mehlo wakhe abona.
Vision.
If vision yakarile, it is like eyakhe one. Thina we don't see it and singaphandle. Mind you ke yena ukuthi kenzakalani ekhanda lakhe. Beautiful game today overall Ntanga. Mase sidinga yena ukuthi aye side uyaya, but mina I don't want really to go to the side anymore. I want really to stay there. Ntanga kumnandi make lapho really.
Definitely, Ntanga. I agree with you. Although Magalapa, I feel like he gets tired, man. Young and Masega Katele, he makes like lazy touches. Young Zola, Udlisi Paula in a lot of instances. I think maybe you can start on the side, and then maybe in the second half, or maybe I don't know, Fana. But the coach have to find the solution because once Alala, you must notice. Maga, say your peli game. he becomes frustrating. I don't know what your views on that. Umbona kanjani makadlala lapho.
Can I correct you?
Yeah.
Ubuya ku-injury futhi.
Yeah.
Nalapha finally. You must know when you come back from injury, ngeke usiphe lento esiyidingayo. Match fitness is lacking there. And before this game, mekabuya ku-injury lapha yazi azodlala i-final. So you must understand ukuthi this season really akakabi fully fit because of lama game akawamisayo, ama-trainings akawamisayo. I think it's that. Even if he was on the side, he was going to be frustrating too, I think. Because urile akekho fully fit, but mina like I like him to see more adlala laphaya as a 10. I think uyayishaya leya role kamnandi kakhulu, and him and Apolis yo ndanga yo.
No, that's a good point, Mr. Mlambo. I think it was there as well. I didn't check that. I think it was that injury crisis. And then Danga, we don't concede goals in Fitu. What do you think, coach? Like for us to be like, we seem like teams come here in Fetus Kotini, they're not getting chances. When they get chances, like those obvious shots, Lao China has to just grab the ball and all. So I don't know Coach Wenzani in Fetus, but whatever he's doing, he must keep it up. What do you think we are in the Chimini in a defender?
I know. I think. I see them. Upegi Pirates against Zagalan. We can absorb pressure. I always cry about that, but I think it's working for us. You must see when it's corners. Everyone is in the box. You must see when teams are coming on us. Everyone is in our half. It's not frustrated for 5 minutes when emergency because we allow the pressure to get. But Tina, see team, we are a team. Each and every one ongangena ku Pirates manje izoqhubeka inqola ezubhuja abashilo. We have a system now. Now we have a structure. Now we have a team chemistry. I think that's what coach has worked on. That's why you can keep a relay out ufaku Tito. You can keep a Tito ufaku chef. Pirates izokupha lama results now and then.
And I think coach likes defending because he saw towards the end he wanted to introduce Upodela to shut the door and throw away the keys. But at least it didn't come in. Instead, Mawasa came in and scored a beautiful goal. Thoughts on Mawasa on that game, although it was frustrating on the first touch, but Mawasa is all about numbers. And we know once he comes in, he wants to score. And that's exactly what he did today.
And a poor game for me, for Umabasa. Yangithola cause he was frustrating isikhathi akasingenile. I-goal unfortunately ngilibona. Samele ngiyobheka ama highlights, but that's a good thing. As much as you're not playing well, you can score. It's good because you are a striker, Yangithola, and like we have different strikers go Orlando Pirates. We have a striker like Umabasa who's going to stay there and score goals for you. We have a striker like Utsko Mota who's not going to stay there, but is going to work hard for you. We understand that that's good about the team because we have a squad depth in Tanga. We can maneuver through games ukuthi hayi namhlanje sithatha lo namhlanje sithathi lo because of we have different qualities in Tanga. Yeah, so I think Mabasa was poor, but for the mere fact ukuthi ukorile noma ngalibonanga goal, bravo to him.
Thanks, Mr. Mlambo. There you have it, Mapagania.